Welcome to the best picks. The Best Kids Cooking Kits is probably one of the most sought-after items for parents who want to engage their children in a fun, educational, and safe way, and this video will help you find the perfect kit that will not only spark your child's culinary curiosity but also help them develop essential life skills while creating delicious memories together in the kitchen, making cooking time a delightful family bonding experience. Number 5. Hapinest Unicorn Cookies Set. It's time to unleash your inner baker. This set lets you create magical unicorn cookies with fun molds and tools. Made from safe, durable materials, it's perfect for hours of imaginative play. It's designed for little hands and big imaginations. Create colorful unicorn designs and share the fun with friends and family. It's a great way to express your creativity. Develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination while having a blast. It's educational and entertaining. Looking for a unique gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring hours of joy. With easy-to-use molds and decorating tools, it's simple to make amazing unicorn cookies. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? It has molds and decorating tools to create whimsical unicorn shapes. If you are looking for a fun, imaginative activity to boost creativity, this is the perfect choice. It's also made from child-safe materials, ensuring worry-free playtime for your little ones. What people say? My daughter and I had so much fun baking cookies together. My granddaughters aged 5 and 3, who are fond of unicorns, enjoyed baking cookies with me. There is only one recipe included, but any cookie recipe suitable for using cookie cutters will work well. You must have all the ingredients. This set includes several cutters, a rolling pin, a pastry bag for icing and a few pastry bag tips for designs. Such a fun gift for young girls. Great stepping stone to get involved in the kitchen to explore their interests. Number 4. Baketivity Pretzel Kit. It includes all the dry ingredients, pre-measured and ready to use. You'll make yummy soft pretzels from kosher ingredients, including salt from a USA facility. This kit has everything you need: flour, yeast, pretzels, salt, and even a shopping list for the wet ingredients. Easy to follow, illustrated instructions make baking simple for everyone. Learn basic kitchen skills and pretzel making techniques. It's a great way to build confidence while creating a delicious masterpiece. It's a wonderful gift for kids aged 5 and up, perfect for family bonding time. Homemade pretzels are always better than store-bought. Scan the QR code for a video guide from Baketivity's head baker. With their help, you'll feel like a real baking pro in no time. What we like? This kit includes all the dry ingredients for making pretzels. If you're looking for a hands-on learning experience that also creates delicious treats, this is it. It's perfect for family bonding time in the kitchen, creating memories while learning new skills together. What people say? Ingredients were individually packaged and labeled. My son had fun making them and doing different shapes with the dough, pretzel shape, ring shape, etc., and they honestly tasted great. The instructions were easy for my daughter to follow. Once the bagels were made and cooled, taste testing came in. These were the best bagels I ever tasted. Everything being pre-measured is so convenient. The best for all was making shapes we wanted with the ropes. They cooked nicely and my taste testers said they were awesome pretzels. Number 3. WeeSprout Little Chef. It's the perfect gift for your little chef. This set has everything they need to start cooking and baking, including a cute apron and oven mitts. These aren't just toys, they're real tools sized for little hands. It's a fun way to teach them valuable kitchen skills and encourage teamwork. Safety is key. The knives and choppers have rounded edges, and all the tools are designed to be comfortable and easy for small hands to use. Made with food-grade, non-toxic materials, it's built to last. You can trust that it's safe and durable for your child. It comes with recipe cards and a handy carrying case, making it a wonderful gift for any occasion. Get ready for hours of cooking fun. What we like? It comes with a complete set of real, kid-sized cooking tools. If you want to teach your child real kitchen skills in a safe and fun way, this set is ideal. The durable, high-quality materials ensure it will last through many cooking adventures. What people say. My 5-year-old makes soup daily. He absolutely loves this package. He pulls it out from the pantry along with some mixing bowls and uses all the utensils. He even cuts his own food with the wooden knife and cutting board. I love the quality of everything. It doesn't look cheap and not made of plastic, which I love. The dark blue color is so nice. They are perfect size, been holding up very well. I bought them 6 months ago and they still work like new. My daughter has asked and helped make dinner nearly every night since I got them for her. Exactly like our other utensils except 4-year-old size. Everything about this set is perfect, the quality is great, my toddler loves it, easy to clean up and display. Safe for toddler. Number 2. Tovla Jr. Baking Set. It's time to get creative in the kitchen. This complete baking set has everything your young chef needs to make delicious treats. Made with high-quality, kid-friendly materials, it's built to withstand even the most enthusiastic bakers. You can relax knowing it's safe for little hands. With its adorable unicorn theme, baking becomes an even more magical experience. The included apron will keep clothes clean while having fun. Everything you need is included, right down to the recipe cards. It's easy to get started and have fun baking together. The convenient storage case keeps all the tools neatly organized, making cleanup a breeze and ready for the next baking adventure. Looking for a unique and lasting gift? This baking set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that will be treasured for years to come. What we like? This set includes all the essentials for baking and decorating, neatly stored in a case. If you want a convenient and fun way to get your kids into baking, this is a great option. The unicorn theme adds an extra layer of excitement for little bakers. What people say. This is not the first set we have purchased from Tovla, and all of them are well planned, with solidly created pieces. Our grandchildren love to help in the kitchen. This has suggestions and recipes that are easy to follow. We got a bundle special that included the baking set and a 3-pack of knives. My 3.5-year-old loves it and has so much fun. We haven't used the piping bags yet, but she loves making cookies or using the knives to help us cook in the kitchen. The little rolling pin is also the cutest thing and she loves that it's exactly her size. I enjoy the container so we can store everything easily and there's room for extras. Bought this for my 7-year-old niece's birthday. I love that my niece loved it. Most surprising was she left the Lego Unicorn and Lego Creative Pastel playset to wait while she pulled out each item from this baking set, spent a minute or two on each piece, and then asked if we could make cookies. Number 1. Kidstir Unicorn Kit. Get ready for some unicorn magic in the kitchen. This kit has everything you need to make delicious cake pops. It's so easy and fun. It includes all the pre-measured ingredients, so you can start baking right away. No need for extra measuring cups or spoons. With cute pink sticks and candy decorations, you can create your own unique unicorn cake pops. Let your creativity shine. A bonus cake pop display stand is included. Show off your amazing creations to family and friends. Simple step-by-step instructions and expert baking tips make this a breeze, even for beginner bakers. You'll be a cake pop pro in no time. This is a great way to spend quality time with your loved ones, creating delicious treats and making memories that will last a lifetime. Looking for a unique and fun gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. It offers suggestions for dairy-free and egg-free alternatives, ensuring everyone can enjoy this delicious experience. What we like? It comes with pre-measured ingredients, making baking super simple. If you want a quick and easy baking project with delicious results, this is perfect. It's ideal for busy families or those new to baking with kids. What people say. Great idea for spending time with the small ones, and also incorporating learning with measurements is always fun when you get to eat something sweet in the end. While the cake pops didn't look exactly like the picture, it was fun and easy to make these. My 4- and 6-year-old girls worked together and it made a ton of pops. They think they are super tasty. You even make the icing used to hold to cake pops together, which was easier than I expected. This is a great gift idea and all the ingredients make it easy for kids. My 8-year-old daughter did these almost entirely by herself and she loved it. The final product is adorable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.